Hello, this is Mrs. DB, and I'm going to go over just a couple of the steps in the reflecting graphs part of the assignment from week 3 on, what was it called? Exploring transformations in Sketchpad. So this is on the second one on reflecting graphs in Sketchpad. So when you open this up, you'll see this page, and over here there's a equation of the line, y equals x plus 1. That's the line right here. There's 2 points on the line, and their coordinates are right here. So if I move C on the line doesn't, I can't do it. And then you can also move B. Maybe I can't move B. If I move B and C, it'll probably change the line. So it says double-click the y-axis to mark it as a line of reflection. Watch what happens here. See those little X's that like came in and out? I'll do it again. That means that this line, the y-axis, is now a line of reflection. Then it says to select the line and the points with the selection tool. So this is the selection tool. It's the default, so you probably already got that. So you select it, see how it's kind of purple now, and select the points too. So they're kind of purple. And then you go to transform and choose reflect. Transform, reflect. And now it's been switched. I'm going to change it to another color. So I'm going to go to display, color, I'll do lavender. See, now it's lavender. That's the image. That new line is the image. The black line is the pre-image. The pre-image is the original. The new one is the image. When the image line appears, select this new line's endpoints B' and C', and then choose red. Oh, I picked the wrong color. Easy enough to fix. Display, color, red. Okay, now they're all red. Okay, then it says to change, then you answer some questions. How did they change? And then you can check by clicking on the coordinates and getting what their measurements are by going to measure, coordinates. Oh, I didn't click B, I didn't click B', I clicked B. And it's going to be hard to do that because they are actually the same point. So I don't know if I'll be able to get it or not. And I still got it. But it's the same point. B and B' are the same. And then you can answer the next 2 questions. You can measure the equation of the line just by selecting it and going to measure equation. And that's the new line, K', they're calling it, the image. Then it says to drag points B and C to change the original line. So when I change B, see it's moving everything. It looks like B is locked on that y-axis, that's fine. And C, if I change it, see, it changes both lines together because it's a reflection. It says to move line C to 3, 4. I'm going to put B back at 0, 0 just so it's not so messy looking. Well, maybe. And then it says, what are the coordinates of C'? Where did my coordinates go? Oh, they're way up here. C' is here. And then it says if the line y equals 2x plus 1 is reflected over the y-axis, what would be the equation of the image line? I could make this line be 2x plus 1. Let's see, plus 1, that's the y-intercept should be at 1. If you can get it as close to 1 as you can. And then they wanted it to be 2x, so see how you can make your slope be 2. There, y equals 2x plus 1, and then you're supposed to say what this equation is. And then there's some other things to answer. And then there's page 2 to do as well. So hopefully that will help. Let me know if you have more questions on the second part of this.